I request the BJP MPs also participate in the agitation because it is not a struggle between the Congress and the BJP. Our agitation is not against BJP. It is against injustices caused to Karnataka state.
Chief Minister Siddaramaiah of Karnataka announced a protest at Jantar Mantar on February 7 to address the central government's neglect of the state's interests, highlighting various instances of injustice, including a significant reduction in the state's tax share and delays in relief funds and project approvals. He invited BJP MPs, MLAs, and leaders to join the protest. Siddaramaiah emphasized that the protest was not against the BJP but aimed at safeguarding the state's rights. He urged all parties to unite for the cause, stressing the need for equitable treatment in financial distribution and project approvals. Despite challenges, he expressed hope for a positive outcome and affirmed the state government's consideration of issuing a white paper to address the issues at hand.
Injustices caused to Karnataka. We are agitating on 7th at Jantar Mantar of Delhi, so in which I request the BJP MPs also participate in the agitation because it is not a struggle between the Congress and the BJP. Our agitation is not against BJP. It is against injustices caused to Karnataka state. Thank you.